Hello, Chelsea. Today I'm going to be going over the Stylescapes that I created for your brand. And to create these Stylescapes, I used the age range that you provided for us. And I also took inspiration from the brands that you were inspired by. And I also took the words that you described your brand with: friendly, colorful, inventive, joy, value. I took those words and I incorporated them into these Stylescapes to give the feeling that you are looking for. So, to start off, the very top one, I was inspired by the 25-year-old for this one, a woman who is starting off in her very first job, something that is a professional setting, and she'll show up to work with a more natural look, something that is appropriate for work. I'll start off with the font. The font is Sign Painter, and these are all of the letters and what all the letters look like. And then here is the company name, Blueberry Cosmetics, and Define Beauty, Define You. And these two women right here, these are pictures I found, and they just are wearing natural makeup, something that they would wear to work. They would show up to work in and feel very beautiful. These are makeup products that I feel like y'all can draw inspiration from. A little color palette right here, foundation. And then this eye look, I feel like, is something that somebody would wear to a professional setting, somebody would wear to work and feel very confident in. Also with this lip, very professional, very appropriate for a work setting. The second one is also for the 25-year-old, something that she would be able to mess around with, have fun with her makeup, because she also likes having fun with her makeup, doing something a little bit different than the natural look every single day. But this is something that she would wear to go out on the town, to go out with friends, just to have fun, just to learn something new with makeup. And these eye looks are very bold, very bright, very colorful. And along with these makeup palettes, they are very colorful, and I do believe that you can draw inspiration and make very colorful eyeshadow palettes, makeup palettes for anything, so that there are options. Instead of just having nude palettes all the time, you can always do colorful palettes. And there are lip products that you can do that are very bright. You can do mascara that is not just black, things like that. Because this one has a very bright blue mascara, something that is a little bit different. You don't see companies doing that all the time. Alright, and then these last two are inspired by the 16-year-old, a girl who is in high school, a girl who is finding her way in life and discovering what she is and who she wants to be and things of that sort. So this top one is a very pink area, very pink. I feel like a lot of 16-year-olds love the color pink and are constantly wanting to wear blush that is very bright and bold, doing eye looks that are very bright and bold, wearing a pink lip one day, or things like that. So this eye look is very bold. Clearly it has glitter on, and glitter is always fun to mess around with. A lot of people like using glitter every day for makeup. And then here is a makeup palette that is very pink. Another makeup palette that you can do that I know a lot of people will love is pink. And the thing with pink eyeshadow palettes is that you can also use those eyeshadow palettes as blush, because why not? Here is the font that I chose for this type of feeling, this type of vibe, and here is the Blueberry Cosmetics and Define Beauty, Define You. And here are some more eye looks. This one's very bold, very colorful, a nice nude lip, a nude pink lip with some blush. And then here is some more makeup products that I feel like a lot of 16-year-olds would be drawn towards. And then this makeup look, very beautiful. It's a heart. It's very cute. And here are some more makeup products that I feel like a lot of 16-year-olds would be drawn towards. And a very bright pink lip right here that I feel like a lot of people are very bold to wear. I personally am scared to wear very bright colored lips, but that's okay. A lot of people like it. And here's another more simple eyeshadow look. And then with the last one, I went with a very colorful, very, very colorful vibe because that was one of the words that you chose was colorful. So I wanted to do one that was just a bunch of different colors all in one together. And with this one, here's a photo of a girl that's wearing very bright, colorful makeup. And here is the font that I chose for this type of vibe, this type of brand that you're looking for. This lip is very bright, colorful, and then these makeup palettes back here, there's green, there's blues, there's purples, there's pinks, there's nudes. There are all colors right here that you can use any day of the week and have a great time with as a 16-year-old, of course. And then here's an eye look that I feel like a lot of 16-year-olds are going for these days with the freckles, very beautiful, very natural looking, along with a colorful feeling. And then here is an eyeshadow palette with every single color in the rainbow, and it's a very stunning eyeshadow palette. It's made by Morphe, which is a brand that you are inspired by. I do understand that. And alongside that, I put an eyeshadow look that is very colorful, uses every single color in the rainbow, which is essentially in that palette right there. And I feel like a lot of 16-year-olds are really learning how to do creative eye looks like this today, and it's very inspirational, and they have a great time doing it. It takes a lot of time to do makeup looks like this. And along with that, here is the company name, Blueberry Cosmetics. Define beauty, define you. And then lastly, here's another eyeshadow palette with some lip products and things of the sort, and I really do feel like all of these would be a great option for you, and I really hope that you can draw inspiration from all of these. So yeah, thank you.